Hello students of class 9. Today I will be teaching you the MCQ part of laws of indices chapter. In last video I hope you have got up to solve. Question number 9 up to solve you have got. Now MCQ part. From board book I am solving and you will do these sums also if you will not get board book till now, and from reference book also you will practice. Name of the chapter, laws of indices. And now I'll be starting MCQ part. What is given here? The value of this. Zero 0.243 or 0.2 into 10 to the power 0.6. This is the problem. You have to calculate the value of this. First what I will do, I will transfer this. I'll remove this decimal point first. Okay, 2.243. So it will become 243 by 1000, and power is 0.2. That means 2 by 10. And here also in place of 0.6 I can write 6 by 10. Now this and this you cancel, 3 by 5. Here 1 by 5. And 243 in terms of prime numbers, so it will be that 243, I think 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3 81, 81 3, that means 3 to the power 5. Okay, you will find out the LCM of 243, you will get 3 to the power 5, and denominator we have not to do 10 cube, and this is 1 by 5, and there is 10 to the power 3 by 5. Now separately I will write in this form. This is 3 to the power 5 into 1 by 5, and denominator 10 to the power 3 by 5 into here 10 to the power 3 by 5. Now this and this will be cancelled out, 5 5. So your answer is 3. Your option B. B is the correct option. Clear? See. This is the correct option. Now next. Find the value of 2 to the power half into 2 to the power minus half into 16 to the power half. Okay, find the value of this. Second one, 2 to the power half into 2 to the power minus half into 16 to the power half. Now you know same base. So in case of multiplication with same base, power will be added. So you can write half minus half. Clear? And 16 in terms of 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 to the power 4. Clear? In this way you have to do. And here cancel 2 to the power 0 into 2 square. You know any finite quantity to the power 0, its value is 1. Clear? So its value is coming 1, and this is 4. So your correct option is C. C is the correct option. Clear? Now next one. number 3. 4 to the power x equals to 8 cube. Then you have to calculate the value of x. Clear? 4 to the power x equals to 8 cube. So from both sides we'll convert it in terms of 2. 4 means what? We can write 2 square, and 8 means 2 cube. Clear? Or now open the bracket. Now we can write now base same from both sides, base same. Therefore we can equate the power. Therefore we can write 2x equals to 9. That means x equals to 9 by 2. Your correct option is B. Clear? See the board. Now this is the correct option. Now next one. Easy sums are there, so no problem for you. Next, number 4. 2 to the power minus x equals to 1 by 7. Then calculate the value of 20 to the power 2x. This you have to calculate. This sum comes in exam in MCQ part. Okay. Now 2 to the power minus. You know when the power is negative, so we can write it in this form, or 1 by 20 to the power x equals to 1 by 7. Clear? Power is negative, so it will come in denominator. Now cross multiply. 20 to the power x equals to 7. Clear? What to calculate? You have to calculate the value of 20 to the power 2x. So this one we can write in this form. Okay. Now 20 to the power x value is 7. So equals to 7 square. That means 49. Your option is C. Clear? This is the sum number 4. Option is C. Now last one, number 5. Number 5 also important for exam. 4 into 5 to the power x. It is given equals to 500. Clear? Then find the value of this. Most of you miss this one. X to the power x you have to calculate. Only after this you calculate the value of x and you leave there. But that is the wrong answer. Clear? You have to calculate x to the power x. So from here what we can write, 5 to the power x equals to 500 by 4. I am dividing by 4. Or 5 to the power x equals to, now we can cancel, it will come 125. Clear? 125. Or 5 to the power x equals to 5 cube. Base same, so you can equate the power. Value of x is coming 3. Most of you end here. In exam I have checked, when I check the copy, I have seen that your answer is, you are writing your answer is x. Value of x is 3, but not that. You have to calculate x to the power x. That means you have to put over here 3 cube, 27. That is the correct answer. Option D. Clear? So these are about MCQ part. Now in next video you will get the SAQ or short answer type questions. Okay.